Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm doing a challenge for a Facebook group I'm in called Bash Your Scrapbook Stash, and they put up quite a few challenges. So the one I decided to do today is to use 10 pieces of paper on layout. This is going to be fun. I have an idea in my head. Let's hope it works. These are the photos I am scrapping. These have to be from the 1970s, I think. I'm just trying to find me so I can gauge how old I am. But this could have been... No, this is the 60s, I think. Yeah, definitely 1960s, before my time. Because my brother's quite little in this one. So these, I think, are taken at two different times, but they're the same sort of event. So my two uncles... each company they worked for, two different companies. Oh, there I am, really little there. Okay, this is late 60s. Anyway, they had big Christmas picnics. All family could come along and bring as many people as they wanted, and they would have Santa Claus and games and things like that. So we all loved getting together for these picnics. They were held in like a big park somewhere or a national park somewhere, and they were always lots of fun. So they're the pictures that I am scrapping. Now the paper I'm using is from Stampin' Up! It's Heart and Home. So this was, I haven't been a demo for a couple of years, so this was when I was a demo, so it's probably 2-3 years old by now, but it doesn't matter, it's still really beautiful paper. And these are the papers I'm using. So my idea is to do strips of torn paper down the page, 10 different papers down the page. So hopefully it works. So I'll turn them around only because I'll put them in the order that they will, I think they'll be in. So this is just the reverse of the bees. And then you've got the beautiful flower stems and another wood grain. So on the back of all these, it's wood grain. Then I think I'll repeat one from further back between. So I'll have more than 10 layers of torn paper, because I don't want the two wood grains together. I'll put one of these or one that's further back in between. But these are the papers. Okay, and then another wood grain, and then another beautiful flower one, and then another wood grain, and then nice greenery and wood grain. So between these two, I will probably do a green layer, and then maybe this one again up here. So anyway, that's the plan. I'm hoping it'll look really pretty. We shall see. Alright, so for embellishments, I'm going to do lots of die cutting. Now I'll go off camera and do all that, because you don't want to sit and watch someone just die cut. That's pretty boring. So this beautiful floral, it's like a flower on a stem, is going to be in that colour. Then I've got a bee, so a few bees in that colour. And then I've got another leaf in this like brighter orange. And another floral design in like a brown to match this paper. Then two different leaves out of green. So that is the plan. We'll see if it works. My title is going to be Unforgettable Range Cocoa Vanilla Foam Title Stickers, and it's going to be simply family. My finishing touch is going to be these iridescent rhinestones, which are really, really pretty. I have grey to back the photos in. Only because I've run out of black. So I'm hoping the grey will work. And then it's all going to be on a white, that's my base, white sheet of cardstock. So that is what I plan on doing. So I will run away now and do all my die cutting, and then I'll be back. there's the finished page. It turned out exactly how I thought it would, and I really, really like it. This background is really cool. Oops, had a dimensional backing on me. And I've got sort of like an even amount of white at the top to the bottom, I guess. Yeah, so I really liked it. There's 10 different papers on there, and all I've used to embellish it is die cuts. And yeah, there you go. So I've met the challenge. 10 pieces of paper. Really, really happy with how this turned out. If you've liked this video and you like this page, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And I'll have a link down below for the Bash Your Scrapbook Stash group. Yeah, because it's a really chilled group and lots of fun, and it helps you use up all those supplies rather than hoarding them. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.